Do you want to improve the look of your Tesla Model 3 to give it a more aggressive, unique, and sporty look? If so, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to install the front bumper lip spoiler from EVbase accessory shop and before and after look on the Tesla Model 3. The one I have is matte black. There is also Glossy Black, Glossy Carbon Fiber, and Matte Carbon Fiber available. First, I'll show you the before and after look so that you can quickly decide if this is the style that you are going for. Also, I will walk you through every step of the installation. Then I will give you a quick summary of the features and highlights. If you have already purchased this product, feel free to skip ahead to the installation section. If you're ready to purchase, use the link in the comments below or the video description to save 20% off your purchase. Or you can go to EVbase.com and use the code accelerating at checkout. I have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. There's also another version for the refreshed new 2024 Model 3 that's available. My Tesla Model 3 already has some modifications, such as wrapped hood. I have some wrapped mirrors. I have a rear spoiler and wrapped rear trunk near the license plate area. So step one is you want to clean your car, clean the front bumper. Everywhere that the front spoiler is going to interact with. Microfiber mitt. So I'm cleaning this to give it a little time to dry before I unbox the spoiler. So now I'm just drying the car with a microfiber towel. All right, let's do the unboxing. So I've already opened this, but this is mostly how they come packaged. You got your sides, here's the bottom, here's the top. You got your middle section. There's the bottom, top. And the other side. So there's three pieces and they get screwed together. First, you're gonna take the screws. So here's how you can tell which side is correct. The side piece, it says Model 3 right or Model 3R for right. So right means the right side of the car from the driver's perspective, not from the front of the car. So we're gonna put the right piece over there, be the left piece as if you're in the car facing the front of the car. First, put the screws in here and the main centerpiece. The rest of this wobbles, but that's just because it's gonna get attached to the car. So these are just to connect them. Doesn't really provide a lot of stability, just so they stay together before you assemble it onto the car. So now for the other side, so then these go together like that. So you just make sure you got your outside edge on this side, the front and the bottom facing the same direction. And then this center piece where the screws go in goes on top. So it seems like there's a lot of resistance at first until you get the screw through this bottom section where there's some plastic. Okay, I lined them up again. I'm gonna press in the middle here. You can tell because it'll be it'll be snug. It won't be moving around. It's time to remove the plastic clips. I have this tool from a previous job, so this is the ideal tool. You could also use flathead screwdriver. Found out that I was actually missing a few clips here. One clip missing here. One clip missing here. Now the car has 5 clips on each side, but the spoiler has 4. So 1, 2, the car has 1 here, 3, 4 on each side. So those are the only 4 clips you need to remove on each side. So this 3rd clip that's at this rounded edge, you do not need to remove that one. Now if you're using a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, then try to get under here. Okay, so now that the center part is down, then the rest of it will come off. Looks like the other piece is stuck up there. There we go. So you can do it with a screwdriver, but I'll show you on the next one. This other tool is a little easier. It is a little tricky to get in there, but once you move this bottom part down a little bit, like that, then the whole thing will just come off pretty easy. Now for the fun part, installing the spoiler. I'm going to remove the tape on these smaller sections and then pull off about 6 inches of the longer sections. Now if your fingernails are too short, you can use a little blade to peel off these edges. Just like that. You don't want to pull the whole thing because then it might stick down before you're ready, before you're done placing it. You gotta line it up, make sure everything's lined up. So let these hang over the side so we can reach them as we pre-fit. Should have 2 tails here in the middle, tail here on the top, tail on the bottom. All this removed. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tails. Just like that. Now we'll put the spoiler up against the bumper. First I'm going to make sure the center's lined up. So I have the center of the grill here, this 3rd section of the vents, right? And make sure everything's aligned, make sure the holes are aligned underneath for the clips, and then start pressing it up against for the, and then we'll remove the rest of the tape so that it can press up against the bumper and start sticking to the bumper. Now you're gonna make sure you take off your pigtails here for the tape before you get too far along on sticking on the edges so that you can still pull off these. I think I gotta pull it back a little bit. Yeah, it's too close so I can't pull it off. There we go. You see, you don't wanna pull too hard and then it breaks. So you're gonna pull the bumper back a little bit just so you can get that tape off. And then the corner here. Okay, again, make sure it's not pressed too far against there, otherwise you won't be able to adjust the middle here. So pull off the pigtail. keep the bumper back a little bit. I mean the spoiler back a little bit so it doesn't stick. Pull off the bottom pigtail. Now lift up a little bit. Make sure everything's lined up. I'm gonna press it in. Okay, time to put the clips back in. So you can put these clips back in with your hands, but sometimes it's easier just to use the tool and just use it for pressure. So all done, and I think it looks amazing. The matte black goes really good with my matte matrix black. So really happy with how it turned out. Definitely glad I went with the matte black. All right, let's go to the dog park. So in summary, I really like the look of this spoiler. It gives it an aggressive and unique look. So this type of accessory that is very affordable goes a long way to help enhance the sportiness and aggressive feel that the Model 3 deserves. So if you're ready to purchase this accessory or any other accessories for your Tesla Model 3 or any other Tesla vehicles, use my referral link in the description of the video or in the comments, and you will save 20% on your purchase. Or go to EVbase.com and use the code accelerating at checkout. So let me know if you purchased this accessory or any other accessories, and which style did you go with? I would love to know if you purchased and if you've installed it on your vehicle and how you like it. Thanks everyone for watching. And matte carbon fiber. Make it more aggressive and sporty looking. Use the code Come on! Hi, doggy. I did not account for dogs. It's 93 degrees. Welcome to fall in California. Who let the dogs out? And that bee wants some airtime.